Abhishek commands to pledge. Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. And I am. Proud of. Proud of. Its rich. Its rich. Variegated. Variegated. I shall always. I shall always. Strive to be. Strive to be. Worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. I shall give my parents. Teachers. Teachers. And all elders. And all elders. Respect. Respect. And treat everyone. And treat everyone. With courtesy. With courtesy. To my country. To my country. And my people. And my people. I pledge. I pledge. My devotion. My devotion. India will be. India will be. Abba's party. Abba's party. Along lines. Along lines. My happiness. My happiness. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. I'm Deepa from Grade-VII Sapphire, brought you international news and national news. National news. The Indian Railway deactivated 3 crore suspects user IDs. International news. Pakistan standard IAS chief fares remanded to 14 years in jail. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Happy morning, everyone. I am today's state and sport news is brought to you by Sanjay of Grade-VII Sapphire. Sports news. India versus South Africa. Second T20 match. India lost by 51 runs. State news. In recent Gram Panchayat elections, a large number of Sarpanch seats were won. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. This is Yogitsa from Grade-VII Sapphire. Today I am going to say weather forecast. Weather forecast. Minimum temperature 15 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 10 km per hour. Humidity 35%. Thank you. This is the end of weather forecast.
Everyone, today's word is brought to you by K. Ramcharan of Grade-VII Sapphire. Word. Integrity. Meaning being honesty and doing right things even when no one is watching. Friends, please spell after me. Integrative. I-N-T-E-G-R-I-T-Y. Integrative. Thank you. Have a good day.
Happy morning, everyone. This is Navanita from Grade-VII Sapphire, brought you thought. We can expect love and happiness in returns. I repeat again. We can expect love and happiness returns. This thought means that when we do good deeds, we don't lose anything. Thank you. Have a short day ahead.
And today's word. GK questions are brought to you by Sapura from Grade-VII Sapphire. Question for Grade-VII. How many days in leap year? 366. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is 366. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-VIII. Who is President of India? Draupadi Murmu. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is Draupadi Murmu. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-IX. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is New Delhi. Let us appreciate them. Open question for all. What is the chemical formula of water? H2O. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is H2O. Which is known as red planet? Mars. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is Mars. Let us appreciate them. Which is the largest animal in Earth? Blue whale. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is blue whale. Let us appreciate them. How many players in cricket team? 11. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is 11. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a fantastic Friday.
Good morning, everyone. Fun fact. Amazing facts are brought to you by Jeshwant of Grade-VII Sapphire. Fact number 1. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Fact number 2. Butterfly taste with their feet. Fact number 3. A sneeze can travel up to 160 km per hour. Fact number 4. The smallest bone in your body is in your ear. Fact number 5. The brain uses 20% of your body oxygen. Fact number 6. Octopus have 3 hearts. Thank you.
I am Pierre Kumar Reddy of Grade-VII Sapphire. Today I am going to speak a few words on moral values. Moral values are that is light and it guides us in life. They teach honest, kind and polite and helpful. When we respect others, speak truthfully and help people in need, make the world a better place. Having good moral values make strong in inside and it gives peace of mind. Remember, money and marks will come and go, but good good character will stay with us. So let all promise to always do what is right, even it is difficult. Thank you. Have a moral day ahead. Thank you.